How to study for exams when you feel unprepared. Stop panicking. If your exams are approaching, I know exactly what you're feeling right now. The overwhelming anxiety, the constant thought that I don't have enough time, and that terrifying moment when you open a textbook and feel like you know nothing. Most students fail exams not because they aren't smart, but because they suffer from bad strategy and an unprepared mindset. In this video, I'm giving you the complete step-by-step roadmap to prepare for any exam, covering both the exact study tactics and the mental framework you need to stay cool, focused, and score high. Here, we will discuss the ultimate exam preparation strategy. Step 1. The syllabus triage. Section 2. The strategy. Actual preparation. Let's start with the preparation strategy. Forget highlighting entire pages or reading passive notes 10 times. Here is how you study effectively. 1. The syllabus triage method. First, stop studying randomly. Divide your entire syllabus into 3 color-coded categories. Red, topics you don't understand at all. Yellow, topics you partially know but make mistakes in. Green, topics you're confident about. Always start your revision with the red and yellow topics. Spending hours reviewing what you already know feels comforting, but it creates a false sense of security. 2. Active recall and past papers. Second, ditch passive reading. Use active recall. Close the book and test yourself. Better yet, grab past 5 years exam papers. Analyzing past papers tells you 3 crucial things. Which topics repeat every year? The format of the questions, how marks are distributed. Solving past papers under timed conditions is the single most effective way to guarantee higher marks. 3. The Feynman technique for hard concepts. If you hit a difficult concept, use the Feynman technique. Explain the topic out loud in simple terms as if you were teaching a 10-year-old. Wherever you get stuck or use complex jargon, go back to the book and review that specific part. If you can't explain it simply, you don't understand it yet. Section 3. The mindset and psychology. Now, let's talk about something even more important than study techniques, your mindset. You can know the entire syllabus, but if your brain panics in the exam hall, you will lose marks. 1. Shifting from fear to execution. When panic strikes, your brain enters fight or flight mode, shutting down your prefrontal cortex, the part responsible for memory and analytical thinking. Shift your internal dialogue from, "What if I fail?" to, "What is the next best step I can take right now?" Focus entirely on execution, not outcomes. 2. The 80-20 rule for anxiety. Realize that 80% of your exam results come from 20% of core concepts. You do not need to be 100% perfect to do extremely well. Accepting that it's okay not to know every single microscopic detail takes a massive weight off your shoulders. 3. Sleep is non-negotiable. Pulling an all-nighter before an exam is academic suicide. Pulling an all-nighter decreases cognitive performance by up to 40%. Sleep is when your brain consolidates short-term memories into long-term memories. Aim for at least 7 hours of sleep, especially the night before the test. Section 4. Exam day execution. It's exam day. How do you execute inside the hall? The first 5 minutes. Read through the entire question paper. Answer the easiest, high-confidence questions first. This builds momentum and triggers a dopamine boost that lowers anxiety. Time allocation. Calculate your time per mark. If a question is worth 10% of the marks, don't spend 30% of your time on it. If you get stuck, move on and come back later. The brain dump. The moment you get your answer sheet, write down any formulas, dates, or complex diagrams on the last page or scrap paper so you don't forget them under pressure. Section 5. Conclusion and call to action. Remember, an exam measures your preparation on a specific day. It does not define your intelligence or your worth as a human being. Control what you can control, execute your plan, and trust the process. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more study strategies. Drop a comment below letting me know which exam you're currently preparing for.
Good luck!